Hello student, today I am going to discuss cross product or vector product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors is defined as a single vector whose magnitude is equal to the product of their individual magnitudes and sine of the smaller angle between them. You see the diagram, A and B are two vectors. Then the vector product A cross B is at right angles to both A vector and B vector and points in the direction in which a right hand screw-handed screw will advance when rotated from the vector A to B. The vector product of two vectors A and B gives a vector and is denoted by A cross B. It is also known as cross product of vectors A and B, A vector and B vector. Mathematically, if theta is the angle between A and B vector, then A cross B equal to AB sin theta n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors A and B and points in the direction in which a right-handed screw will advance when rotate from A to B. Rotate from A to B. Then the direction of vector A cross B is that of the unit vector n cap. The direction of vector A cross B is found by using right-handed screw rule or right-hand thumb rule. Now you see right-handed screw, if we take when right hand screw from the vector A to B through the smaller angle between them, then the direction advance of the screw gives the direction of vector A cross B. If the screw rotates right-handed, that gives the direction. So direction will be the vector product, that is A cross B. Or right hand thumb rule, if you take right hand thumb rule like this. So right hand thumb rule in such a way that curl fingers of the right hand in such a way that when they point in the direction of rotation from vector A to B through a small angle between them, then the thumbs point the direction of vector A cross B. So it's just like this thumbs rule. Now magnitude of vector A cross B, magnitude of vector A cross B, that is magnitude, if you write A cross B equal to AB sine theta. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get A cross B divided by magnitude of A cross B. A cross B is AB sine theta, and A cross B magnitude AB sine A cross B is AB sine theta n cap, AB sine theta. So AB sine theta will cancel is n cap. Therefore, n cap equal to A cross B divided by A cross B, magnitude of A cross B. So unit vector is defined as vector divided by its magnitude. Actually, it is a vector divided by its magnitude. Now I'll discuss properties of vector product. Properties of vector product. The cross product of two vectors does not obey commutative law. That is, A cross B does not equal to B cross A. If you see the diagram, A cross B, A to B, when vector rotated from A to B, its resultant is A cross B, which is perpendicular to A vector and B vector. So A cross B, AB sin theta, when it's rotated from B to A, so its direction is changing, B cross A. So their magnitude is same, but direction is opposite, so it does not obey commutative law. So A cross B is AB sin theta n cap, and B cross A, if you write B cross A, AB sin theta minus n cap. So direction is changing. So if you see the diagram, it's n cap minus n cap, opposite direction. So A cross B equal to, we can write minus, you have to put minus B cross A. This is properties number 1. Now properties number 2. Collinear vector. Collinear vector, a parallel vector. If theta equal to 0 degree, then A cross B, AB sine of 0 degree n cap result 0. So cross product of two vectors is 0 if angle is 0, if both are lying in the same direction. Number B, if it is anti-parallel, for anti-parallel vector, theta is 180 degree. Again A cross B, sine of 180 degree is 0, so that is why anti-parallel vectors, cross product of anti-parallel vector also 0. Now perpendicular vectors, number 3. Perpendicular vectors. Two vectors acting mutually perpendicular, then theta equal to 90 degree. Then A cross B, AB sine of 90 degree n cap, that is AB n cap. If that magnitude A cross B equal to AB. In case of orthogonal unit vectors, orthogonal is perpendicular, mutually perpendicular, three vectors. You see this is one vector, this is another vector, this is another vector, x, y, z, unit vector I cap along x-axis, j cap y-axis, k cap z-axis. Then I cross j. So magnitude unit vector, as we know, magnitude unit vector is always 1. So this is 1 sine of angle 90 degree. Aij angle is 90 degree. So and its direction is this direction along z axis. So k cap, which is equal to k cap. Similarly, if you write j cross k cap, 1 sine of 90 degree, j cross k direction I cap, unit vectors along axis. So this is I cap, and k cross I, 1 sine of 90 degree, j cap, k cross I the direction k cap, j cap, k cross I cap, magnitude is 1, magnitude I cap 1, magnitude k cap 1, magnitude I cap 1 sine 90 degree, direction is unit vector j along the y-axis, so j cap. So it's just like I j k, I to j, j to k, k to I. This is anti-clockwise direction. If you write clockwise direction, clockwise I j k, clockwise means j to j cross I cross k, k cross j, then j cross I is minus k cap, k cross j cap, k cross j cap opposite direction, so minus I cap, I cross k cap minus j cap. Here you see, so we are taking anti-clockwise positive, anti-clockwise positive, then clockwise will be negative, anti-clockwise positive, clockwise negative. So remaining properties I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.